everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. As promised, today we are starting our Herbalife journey. We are going to dedicate every Wednesday to providing you with delicious Herbalife protein shake recipes, and if that's something that interests you, you're going to be in for a real treat. Today we're going to start off with one of Rick's favorites, which is the Orange Creamsicle shake, and we're going to boost it with some extra flavorizers and some extra creaminess, and we're going to show you how that all comes together. I recently posted on my community board on the YouTube channel that I have been doing Herbalife nutrition since February. I came to a point where I needed to make some changes. I had a friend who was having a lot of success on the program, so I decided to give it a try. Since February, the beginning of February, I've lost 35 pounds. I asked you guys if you would be interested in seeing some of my shake recipes. Today we are going to make an orange creamsicle, and this is a nutrition shake. It's a protein shake that's packed full of all the protein, nutrients, and vitamins that you need in a meal. We're going to go ahead and get ready. I'm going to leave a link down below. If you guys are interested in learning more, I'm going to leave a link down below to an unlisted video that you can watch to get a little bit of an overview of the program, where I'm going to share with you a little bit more of my experience. You're going to start off with the protein drink mix. Every shake has protein drink mix in it, and for weight loss you're going to use 1 scoop. Each canister comes with a little plastic scoop in it. 1 scoop of protein, 2 scoops of a Formula 1. There are so many flavors. This is the orange cream. You can make a delicious shake with just protein powder, Formula 1 powder, water, and ice, and it's going to come out great. You can make it better, and if you know me, you know that I have fiddled with the folios and I have come up with some awesome recipes. We're going to make this super orange and super creamy by not only adding our orange cream, Formula 1, and our protein, but we're going to also add a tablespoon of sugar-free instant vanilla pudding mix and 1 individual orange packet of Crystal Light. So you know, you get the Crystal Light packets that are like that you put in your water bottle, and that's what you want to use here. You can do this to taste, but I use a whole packet for 1 shake, and this makes a delicious creamy orangey shake. So what we're gonna do, I always have my drink mixer over here. The trick here is you take all of your powder ingredients and 8 to 10 ounces of water. Some people actually like a little more water than that, so it's up to you. Do you like your shake super thick? Do you like it a little bit more runny? Then you can adjust the water amount to suit your personal taste. All your powdered ingredients and your water, and then we're just gonna blend it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now we're gonna add some ice. Now again, the ice is what's gonna make it super creamy. We're gonna add about 6 to 8 ice cubes, and we're gonna blend it. I like to run that for about 30 seconds or until it sounds like all the ice has blended in evenly. Now, this gets really full when I do it like this, but no worries, because you're just gonna pour this right in your awaiting drink cup.
Or a fancy drinking jar.
Right. We always use these mason jars to drink out of. These are 1.5 pints size. You can put your straw in there and you can enjoy. Now, if you really want to go over the top and gild the lily a little bit, if you want to use the calories for your day, then you can go ahead and top this off with a little sugar-free whipped topping, and it's going to be like a delicious milkshake that you got from the ice cream store. So that is how you make a delicious, ultra orangey, ultra creamy orange creamsicle milkshake using your Herbalife protein products. I hope this gets you excited. I hope that you will use the link down below to learn more. That's my recipe for an orange creamsicle that's boosted with flavor and creaminess. I hope you give it a try. I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.